What's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play Scrape My Knee Part 2 on acoustic guitar. On acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. Alright, to play this song you'll be in standard tuning with your capo on 1. So to play this song you're going to have to alternate pick. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're going to have to get used to doing that. The notes you'll be playing, put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and just alternate pick that one. So you'll be playing the D string on the 2 and 4. So like if you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, the D string will be on 2 and 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so that's the first part. And then you'll be going down to the 3rd fret and your pointer will be on 2, and it's the same picking 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so that last one slides up to the 4th fret. Playing that all together will sound like